Are you preparing for IIT joint entrance examinations the coming year? Do you have got all the resources to prepare for the exams? Have you enrolled yourself for a coaching institute? And are you positive that you're going to crack IIT joint entrance examinations, both mains and advanced? Are you confused or are you positive? Don't worry. I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step solution how to crack the IIT joint entrance examination, how much rank you should get, how much percentage you should get to make it into top IITs like IIT Mumbai, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur or Kharagpur or IIT Roorkela. Hi, my name is Rakesh Mohan. I'm a memory and study skill expert. I am helping out students of +1 and +2 how to prepare for IIT JEE and NEET entrance examinations. Most of them are successful with my ideas and tips for preparing for the exams. Stay tuned till end of the video. Watch the video twice or thrice to understand the depth, how exactly you should learn how to prepare for the IIT joint entrance examinations. Hi, dear students. Everybody thinks, what is the minimum percentage I should get to get in top 10,000 ranks? Lakhs of students say 7 to 8 lakh students write examinations for the mains, and only 10% of the students will be selected for the advanced exams. And in that, only final 10,000 students will be selected for the available seats in the IITs. So let's take in 2021, the first rank student has scored 96.56%, and the second rank student has scored 72%, and third rank student has scored 63%. If you combine the average of the last 5 years, the ratio from the first rank student to 10th rank student varies from 95 to 56%. And the student has scored 5,000 rank has scored around 42% in the entrance examinations. So what does it mean? It is not necessary that you should get above 90 to make it a seat into IITs. Even if you get 45 to 50% in the IIT entrance exams, you'll be still able to make your seat into the IITs. But always to get that 50% marks in the exam in IITs itself is a huge and Herculean task. And you should know exactly what you should do, how you should study for the examination. So there are 10,000 seats. And if you want to come in top 5,000, that means above 50% marks in the examination. There are 5 steps which I'm going to tell you. Follows these 5 steps correctly, properly, and with dedication, and surely will come in top 5,000 ranks, maybe top 100 or top rank in the exams also. Okay, so the first step is make it very clear. Understand the question paper pattern and the syllabus. This is the very important part of the preparation for IIT joint entrance exams. Understand the question paper pattern. Take last 5 years, solve question papers and read the question papers very carefully. See, 4 sections are there. First section, multiple choice question. Second type of main, third main, fourth main. What type of question they are asked? What is the level of difficulty of the questions? By understanding all the kind of questions asked in the last 5 years, you'll come an idea whether all 5 years have similar toughness or their toughness and simplification goes ups and downs. If all are in same level, then you'll get an idea exactly how the question papers will come in the next entrance exam, and you can prepare according to that point of view. And next is you should be very, very familiar with the syllabus. The syllabus is very, very important. What is the syllabus? Which books you have to study, which books you have to refer for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And more important, where you should take the coaching from. A teacher plays a very, very important role for you. So syllabus, familiarity with the syllabus is very, very important. So this is the first step. Don't go to the next step unless you are very familiar with the question papers. Ask yourself, do I have got the last 5 years solved question papers in front of me? Don't worry. Take the question paper. If you don't understand it, discuss the question paper with senior students who have already passed the exams, or go and discuss with your class teachers who are giving a train for you preparing for IIT exams. Only when you become familiar with the question paper, only when you become familiar with the syllabus, then only you should go for the second step. Second step, proper study plan. Proper daily study plan. Every day you should have a proper plan. Other than preparing for the board exams, So you're preparing for a particular board exam, you have to keep separate time for board exams, and you have to keep separate time for IIT entrance exams. At least weekly, you have to spend 10 to 12 hours. Weekly 10 to 12 hours, that means average of 90 minutes to 120 minutes for IIT preparation. Say daily at least 2 subjects, physics, chemistry, or physics, mathematics, or chemistry, mathematics, or physics, mathematics. Daily study for 2 subjects, at least for 45 minutes. By doing a proper study plan, you'll have a clear idea, you'll have a timeline. Monday, what I'm studying for IIT JEE, Tuesday, what you are studying, Wednesday, what you are studying, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So by doing a proper study plan, you're not only you're studying for your board exams, you're also preparing for your IIT joint entrance exams also. This is second step. Third step is revise regularly. Keep every Sunday for revision, not only for your board exams, what you have studied from Monday to Saturday, revise all the topics. Once you have revised, you become very fresh in your memory. You come to know what has studied. So what I have studied for my board exams and what I have studied for my IIT exams. So by revising systematically, you will also refresh the information you have learned in your mind, solve as many problems as possible on every Sundays. Make yourself perfect by revising. This is third step. Fourth step, always makes a habit of discussing your topics with your seniors and your teachers. While we are preparing for the exams, always you will get doubts. We are not genius, but the questions will be like that. The question itself will make you to think like a genius. Some questions you'll not be able to understand. Some concepts you'll not be able to understand. What you have to do, don't skip those things. That's where you are going to make mistake. When you don't understand any concept, if you don't understand any problems, you have to immediately discuss the questions or concepts with your senior students or with your teachers. Then only clarify the doubts. Then you go ahead. Once the topic is clarified, you can go ahead for the next topics. Okay. Step number 5 is very, very important. Take perfection tests regularly. Take perfection tests regularly. Once you finish a particular chapter, say in physics, chemistry, or biology, take a perfection test. Analyze yourself, how perfect you are with the basics, how perfect you are with the concepts, how perfect you are with the problem solving of that particular chapter. Then only you will come to an idea how well I know, how well I have mastered in that particular topic. And more important than is that you have to keep yourself motivated on an everyday basis. Nobody will come and motivate you. No parents, no teachers, no friends, no classmates. You have to self-motivate yourself. For small achievements that you have made, progress you have made in your studies, you have to say shabash to yourself and motivate yourself to go ahead. Small achievements will help you to motivate yourself, to inspire yourself, to learn more and more. And that gives you a tremendous amount of self-confidence preparing for IIT exams. Because IIT JEE is not just preparing 12-15 hours, it's all about self-motivation. If you're well self-motivated, inspired, and determined, surely you can crack with these 5 steps I have given you. Follow this regularly every day, every week, every month. Surely you will come on top 100 or even top 10 also. Fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. And I'll come back with more videos related to IIT joint entrance examination. Thank you for watching my video.